welcome back to another video. And guys, today I am actually going to live in my truck for 24 hours, boys. Yes, I'm going to live in my truck for 24 hours. This is the truck I'm going to use within 24 hours for. So, boys, the very first thing I have to buy is I have to buy some food supplies and everything. Let's head to the food place right now, cause boys, I'm going to live in this truck for 24 whole hours, and this is going to be torture because boys, as you guys can see, I can barely even get out of this truck. It's not even my it's my friend's truck, by the way. So we are going to use his truck. Let's just park it out here easily, safely, easily, softly. Turn again one last time. Yeah, boys. Now I'm meet you guys once the thing is outside. Okay, guys, with so much struggle, I managed to get this thing out of there. But boys, our first thing, let me go buy groceries, boys, because I need to have food once I am there. So we are here. So we are here just to park my truck and let's get some food, boys. I need to buy everything I can necessarily need, boys, because I need to actually get this 24-hour challenge done. So I'm actually just going to get everything inside the cart, because boys, I really need to get everything back. And by the way, boys, make sure you guys subscribe. We are so close to 110 subscribers. Make sure you guys subscribe. And yeah, boys, I'm going to get every piece of thing I need here, like pizza, you name it, boys. I'm get ice cream, milk too. I'm get everything I could possibly need to survive for these 24 whole hours. And I'm not gonna pack this. Just gonna take it straight, boys. Because guess what? No, you know why? You know why I picked this truck, boys? Because this. I picked this truck because of this. This truck has so much space inside here. I can do anything I need to do here, boys. And I can just clear all these boxes at once also. Now it's just a big empty hallway. It's what I really like, boys. I'm just going to take the shopping cart with so many things inside. And let's close this bad boy up. Let's head to the truck driver's seat. And we are going to go to get some furniture now, boys. Let's head to the mall to get some furniture. Because boys, I need a bed to sleep on once while I'm at this 24-hour challenge, boys. And this is going to be one of my biggest challenges yet, boys. Because I actually don't have a house to stay in, this boys. I don't have a house to stay in, so this is going to be one of the biggest challenges yet. Also, I'm gonna try to find. Let's head. I'll meet you guys once I find the mall, boys. Okay, boys, so this challenge officially started. Let's head out, boys. And boys, I packed everything I could possibly need. So let's head out and start up. And yes, boys, I have to drive this truck for every hour I don't survive. So I'm actually so for every hour I'm going to have to um like remove one of my belongings. Boys. And let me show you what I have at the back of the truck. Boys, you guys know what I have back of my truck? I have everything I could possibly need. I have some food I could eat here, which which is making food right now. And I also have my gaming setup right here, so I could game anytime. And I have my and I have a bed, and I have a table just in case. So I have so many things I could possibly need. Let's head out. Let's go back inside the truck for the 24-hour challenge. And let's start driving around the city. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Let's head out. And yeah. And if you guys see the light there, like it's cooking, I'm gonna have to be careful while driving. Yes, boys. I'm going to film a part two about that place. But right now, it is all about. You get out of my truck, please. Yes, boys. Yes, boys. My deal is to drive around the whole Brookhaven on 25 speed. So let's head. Boys, boys, this might take. Maybe no, not. What I'm going to do. I'm going to put my speed to the lowest ever. 15 speed is going to be my speed. Yeah, boys. Let's head out. This is going to be one of the biggest challenges ever. At 24 hours in my truck. This is going to be fun, but also not fun because I need to survive 4 hours in this truck. So let's head out. I'm so tired. Even I watch this, I get sick. And this is actually bad. This truck running out of fuel, and I cannot. That truck is turning so slow. just boys, I think I'm stuck with. Okay, boys. Like, I decided to stop here for the night because I have to eat my food. I haven't eaten in 2 days already. It's been 2 days of this. I'm just joking. Imagine it was 2 days. But yeah, here is my safe setup, boys. I'm going to film right now. I'm going to see you boys once I'm done. Oh my god, this is right here. I'm see you boys once I am done, boys. And that's how you guys know Roblox game on Roblox. Okay, boys, I am just muted. And someone's thinking like, what is going on? Why is it shaking? Boys, who is that? Is that a mad person? Who is bumping into me? Okay, boys. This is what I'm scared of, boys. Some people can just come and just take everything. I'm going to turn off all the lights here because I really don't you can see. Let's actually open this up. Okay, boys, this guy is gone. I'm really scared of him. And he's gonna pull up the truck. I don't want to be hijacked. Let's head. Let's use safe, safe stay. Maybe I can say something else. That is safe. At all. Now, let me do a U-turn and get this truck out. Because what I would really want to do right now is just get out. Let's just not safe at all, boys. Uh, okay, yeah, let's get let's get out of here. It's just not safe. It's been 6 hours in, and this is showing that it's not safe to be in this dark area because some people can just come. So let's turn around here. Yeah, this thing takes so slow. Let's turn around here. Let's just drive it. See, so I'm just gonna park here for a bit. And luckily, I've finished filming that video I was filming. Right behind the school is gonna be a good place because I need to film. And yeah, boys, look how massive this truck is, by the way. This truck is big. Alright, like, it too. So, boys, you guys all know that have been staying here for like so long. But, boys, let me give you guys an idea. This, yeah, boys, let me give you guys a clue. I'm going to detach the truck from, yeah, boys. You guys heard me right. I'm going to detach this truck from the actual truck. If you guys know what I'm saying, I'm going to do this. Look here. Now the truck is detached. I'm going to put the container there. This one, fuck this inside. Yeah, boys. This is the plan from today onwards. I'm going to have to stay in here without the trucks. I'm just going to stay inside this container, which said, boys, if that's open still, can stay inside. Boys, this is pretty not safe, but I have everything I could need. I have my gaming PC, which I brought with me. I have my play plan, a golden subscriber play plan. I have food, I have a bed too. There's nothing I could not use. And I'll see you guys when it's nighttime. It's getting pretty dark outside. Anyway, yeah, boys. I'm going to have to try to scavenge for food because you guys can see it's a beautiful, beautiful day in Brookhaven. Yeah, you see all the buildings around. But boys, this is a good day, but let's try to live without my truck for once, because I might get hunted. So let's go buy myself a pistol. Yeah, boys. I need to be safe. So let's get back to the truck and buy myself a pistol, boys. This could be one of the best things. I really need to protect myself from something. I need myself from noises and everything. So let's head out to buy myself a pistol. Yeah, so let me speed in very slow. Um, why is the light on? God, okay, boys. Let's head to the Verizon store. Buy myself. Let's head to the gun store. Oh my god, I bumped into that girl by mistake. Maybe the best one is maybe who knows. But boys, let's head here. Let me get to the gun store. I really need to get myself a new gun, boys. We are here at the gun store and it is open. I'm going to get every type of gun I could get, boys, because I need to protect myself out the night. And the pistol is going to. Maybe I can get behind here and just take any gun I need, right? What guns I like really need, boys? I need Yeah, a pistol revolver. This gun is super strong. Look, guys, look at this. Just testing. Look how strong that gun is. Boy. It can literally pierce to anyone's soul. Look, guys, look at this. 3, 2, 1. Let's head out here. Boys, who is that? Um, boys, who is that? Oh my god, I almost got robbed. I thought, why are there so many people here in Starbucks? And what? Let me get some Starbucks too. I just need some Starbucks too. Re, like re-energize my spirit, hey? Now let's drink some Starbucks, okay? Let's see what they're talking about, boys. I shouldn't be like here. I must say, um, la 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 la. Just drinking my Starbucks here, boys. This is very dangerous. Okay, should I follow them? Should I follow? Should I follow? There's no other way they can follow them. I just have to follow them. Um, let's just follow them. Are they following me? I don't know how to. I don't want them to follow me. Let me park my truck here to act like I'm just watching. What's this guy doing to his car? He's flipping it over. Okay, where are they going? Boys, let's find them. Are they gonna follow me or something? Uh, I can make a sharp turn. Okay, let's just follow them. Where are they going? Driving so slow. Let's just follow this. I just wanna, just move to some fun. Let me just put the our gun in hand. Oh, bro, there's okay. Now they're driving very fast. Oh my god. Um, um, I'ma say, no, bro, let's confront them. I'ma say, yo, bros. Um, you guys were stalking me. Weren't you guys stalking me? Weren't you guys stalking me? You all stalking me, right? I know it. I saw you guys trying to hijack my truck. I saw you boys. I'ma say, you tried to hijack me. Nice outfit. Okay. I'ma say, um, thanks, dude, but you are still a robber. You always trying to rob me. You know what, boys? Let me take the car right here. They're locked, boys. You guys are still robbers. So next time, don't ever come near me again. Boys, what are they doing? Okay, just leave me alone now. Okay, boys, this was actually a very scary encounter. Whoa, what? Why? Why we're coming close? Oh my god! Why is they calling my truck? Get out, please! Get out! Get out! I'm placing a very dangerous bro. Bro, please get out. I don't want to murder you or something. Bro, please get out of my truck. This is very bad. I don't want anyone to follow me to my new place where I'm hiding. The boys, where is actually where my hiding spot is? I should have just left. That is very good. So boys, I just almost got hijacked and I'm sort of really scared from the whole business. Let's just open this up and let's just hit so I can't use my hands to lift the school area. By the way, boys, this might be the hardest part of the challenge, surviving the night in an over. You know, I can't play games too, boys, because not for me to play this game. I'm just gonna head to bed, hoping that I'm gonna be alive tomorrow. So yeah, that's the end of the video, boys. Let's hope I survive the night. Yeah, this unknown place, because there might be some people coming anytime. So yeah, I'm just gonna like see you guys. I'm really kind of scared. See you guys in the next video. Peace, boys.